Right, so here I am in Brisbane. I've just dropped my uncle at the hospital for a routine kind of thing. And I thought I'd take the opportunity to film some cityscapes and do a bit of location scouting. It's a bloody hot day today too, and I don't really know how much gear I want to lug with me. There's tripod and camera bag. It's about 38, 39 degrees. Anyway, we'll see how we go. And there's the view. Okay, so here I am next to the river, Brisbane River, and the good news is I'm getting plenty of good shots. Bad news is my camera's dying. There's a problem with the LCD screen. There should be an image there, but it's just blank. It's still recording okay. When you flip it around, look at that, jeez. I wasn't even doing that before. Let me just try turning it off and on. Okay, so there we go. I've got an image on it now. Let me just frame that up, record it. There's plenty of interesting shots around. Getting a lot of really good shots that I'm happy with. We'll have a lot of fun when we're filming it. The mangroves are pretty cool. So, I don't know what to do about the camera yet. Okay. Anyway, there you go. Okay, so here I am under the Riverside Expressway in Brisbane. There's a river. And this actual spot just here is one that I had in mind to actually film in when I wrote the script, right here. And I think it's going to work. Let's see, there's a... little baby water dragon running down the rocks there. So anyway, this location should work. Okay, so I'm on the way back to the hospital, pick up my uncle. Filming went pretty well. Pretty hot lugging this gear around. The only problem is the camera. The LCD screen's dying. When you have it in its normal position it doesn't work. When you flip it round on its side it works most of the time but not all the time. It's not a situation I want going into filming, so there's two options. Get it repaired, which will probably cost $300 or $400 because it's out of warranty. We'll try and get another one. Which is probably what I'll have to do. The ideal camera to film on is a Canon 5D because I really like that 35mm depth of field. So I don't know, maybe I can see if we can get that in the Kickstarter budget or something. But anyway, just wait for people to pass. The shots were good. It was mainly off the tripod. Waiting for all these people to go so I don't look like a complete idiot talking to no one. Yeah. There you go, mate. There you go. How are you? You too. Yeah, so anyway, look, the shots were good. A lot of them are kind of wide, nicely framed shots, but there'll only be a small amount of that in the film. I was kind of getting frustrated. I really want to do stuff where it's handheld and it's the scenery's kind of the context and the way you film it is more dependent on the actual scene and the characters and the actors and so on. So that's what I'm keen to get into now. But that as a little exercise was good, and so I'll just show you now a quick little rundown of some of the shots. I might put some music with it too, if I'm allowed the license, depending on what song I pick and what YouTube says. So thank you.